morning, everyone. So right now it is today's Justin Bieber's wedding. Oh my goodness, he's in South Carolina. I'm in South Carolina. He's 3 hours away from me. I don't know what to do. Yeah, so guys, if you think about me today on September 30th, 2019, pray for me. Although the day has already passed because I already vlogged it. Anyways, so yeah, I am not okay. I'm gonna try and get through the day without crying. I already cried yesterday. Yeah, it's gonna be a long emotional day. Alright. I'm gonna finish up getting ready for school, and then I'm gonna head to school, and I'll vlog it when I get to school. So, good morning everyone. I'm at school. I'm about to go print a paper for my class at the West Center. If not, then I have like a few minutes to go to the library and do that really fast. Or no, I have a little bit of time. Now that I think about it. That's why I got to school early. Anyways, so it is 8:31, going to the West Center to go print something out. Guess what? I heard back from the social media thing that I want to do for a job here, and they emailed me yesterday, and I am possibly getting a job with them. I'm pretty excited about that, and if I get a job with them, I'll let you guys know. It's all up in the air right now. Like, I just emailed them back this morning, and they emailed me yesterday. I was like, why are they emailing me on a Sunday? But anyways, I'm excited about that, and I can't wait to see what happens. So that is some really good news. So yeah, I'm gonna go print out my paper. I will let you guys know what happens. So yeah. So I just got out of my mass media law class, and I'm walking to my car so I can go home, and I will tell you guys where we're going once I get home. My siblings and my mom and I are going to go somewhere exciting. I've vlogged about it twice. I'll link it in the eye when we get there. Yeah, I'm excited. So are my siblings. And my sister took off school for the day. I'm like, what? I'm like, you're actually doing that? Anyways, we're gonna take her car and go there. So you will see. And yeah, comment down below where you think I'm going. We usually go like once every year. Alright, I'll talk to you guys once I get home. Right now, we are about to get a Great Wolf Lodge.
You're about to get copyrighted.
And I'm about to get copyrighted because Jacob won't turn down his junk. Literally though. But yeah, we're about to go to Great Wolf Lodge. We're back and better than ever. We're back and better than ever. Okay. Are you excited?
No.
No? Why not?
Because I'm not.
But it's your favorite place.
Oh, never mind.
We found it. Hey. Look, look, it's not a balcony, but it's like a little outside thing. That's cool. And I get like a little, it's like a little patio with a couch area and 2 beds and TV. We have officially made it. I'm waiting for the bathroom so I can change because Jacob's already in there. Guys, I'm getting pictures of the wedding. This is not okay. Okay, so right now I am going to the pool, I guess. I hope I'm going the right way. Yeah, I'm going to the pool. So yeah, honestly, we could only hope that I'm going the right way because I tend to get lost. Anyways, so gonna go meet up with the family. There's a bowling alley in there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. So basically, I've just been hanging out. I went on the orange and blue one, which is like right there. You can see it. Yeah, I went on that one, and I couldn't see anything when I came down. Oh, okay. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna go get Gloria. It's so loud in here, and humid, and everything like that. So yeah. So Gloria and Charity are in the pool. I'm gonna vlog them so they see me. So we're making an excursion to Dunkin' Donuts. How exciting.
Why is the charity?
Right now we are about to play some manhunt. I'm playing with the kids because there's no one my age. So yes. Anyways, so I'm the adult here. I don't mind hunting for them. I don't mind doing whatever. I don't know. I don't know if they even started without me. So yeah, Gloria and I are both playing. Which should be interesting to say the least. So yeah. Now we're waiting. I think she found us. Frick. No! Guys, epic fail. Wait.
These are way bigger than I thought.
They're way bigger than we thought. Ooh, so bye. I love you. So Gloria, Jacob, and I all ended up getting home. It was a pretty nice time at the Great Wolf Lodge. I had so much fun. And I had a great time at school today. So yeah, it was pretty fun. What was I gonna say? Oh yes. So yeah, I enjoyed it. Yes, right now I'm just gonna go to bed now because I am tired and I'm gonna go to sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please comment below it, like this video, and subscribe for more. Bye guys. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace.